The category setup allows you to create and manage groups, under which individual products or items will be organized in the next setup stage. This helps streamline inventory management by classifying items into relevant categories such as electronics, stationery, or office equipment. To add a new category, simply click on the Add Category icon. A form will appear where you'll need to enter a suitable title for the category and provide a brief description to define its purpose or contents. Once all the details are entered, click the Save button and confirm the process. The category entry will then be securely stored in your school's database. You can continue adding as many categories as required by repeating the same simple steps. If you need to make any changes, click the Edit icon in the Actions section, or click the Delete icon to remove the entry permanently. Using the Show Entries option, you can control the number of records displayed in the list. There are some more options from you can copy the entire entries, open them in Excel sheet, export it as a PDF, print it, or customize the column visibility as per your need. You can use the search bar to locate entries within the database instantly.